Hello class, my name is McDaniel Bato. I'm a student at Valencia College. I'm a studying electronic engineering. I'm glad to be here, one of your classmates. And then I'm from Haiti. I speak couple languages. I speak like almost four, so Creole, French, and English, and poquito Spanish. So yeah, I'm planning to like work on this course very hardly. I'm a full time at work. By the way, I'm at work at Disney. Yeah, so I usually have morning shift. So after my shift, I'll take a little break, and then after I will start working on my courses. Yeah, so I will try to do my best for this week to get everything done. And then so one of the things I love on this live is like I love like watching news. I like playing on my PlayStation, so I really enjoy this. And then I like natures. I like nature because I got experience when I'm like far away from everyone. So I got more things more coming, more inspiration. So yes, so I'm looking forward to watch your video. So thank you for watching this. Bye.